We're here at Hatton Gardens, where last night there was a robbery in the vault.
It's the biggest robbery in British criminal history.
They were extremely professional and highly organised outfit.
Caine? Caine?
What?
He's deaf as a post.
The first job I got arrested for, I was 13. But Hatton Garden is an itch I could never scratch.
Get scratching, Brian. We'll be dead tomorrow.
If I can round up the right people...
Get some young blokes in.
It wasn't us, officer. We're not capable.
So disappointing when people stoop to backstabbing.
I think they don't know what they've got.
The blind leading the deaf.
I'm the governor now.
Run like the wind. You tell a single soul about this, and I'll cut your balls off.
Nice bloke.